Now let's show how to get Claude set up with Airtable. If you don't yet have Claude, come over to Claude.ai and you'll need to sign up for either the Pro plan or the Max plan. I'm on the Max plan because I do a lot of coding and sometimes I have the Claude agent browse the web for me, but the Pro plan should work fine. Once you are signed up on Claude, you should see something like this. Next up, you're going to sign up for Airtable. You can sign up for a free account. That's what I'm on. The free account should work just fine. And once you're signed up and signed into Airtable, you should see something like this. Next up, I like to use Claude through the desktop application. You can use Claude through the web interface, but I like using Claude through the desktop application because it comes with a couple extra features like Claude Cowork and Claude Code, etc. So you can download that for your machine and you should see something that looks like this. Once you have Claude installed on your desktop, you can come over to the chat widget and click the plus icon and come over to the connectors option and come over to add connector, browse connectors, and search for the Airtable connector. Then click connect. And here you'll see Claude requesting access to your Airtable. And let's choose custom access and give it access to the Airtable database. Grant access. And now we have Airtable linked with our Claude account.